Had a little chain of events here. A little chain of events. See up there in my coffee cup? See the little brown? And over here, oh, shadow. On this corner, you will see Mr. Grubby. Mr. Grubby. He's gonna go cook in the blacktop. Oh man, look, I got another one. Lot. So we got a little Grubs. I did spray for weeds, and there was a certain grass here that the weed killer did kill. And that's what we got here, folks. So we got a little Grubs, and there was a certain grass here that the weed killer took out, and it was in this corner. It's not a very deep rooted grass. It's a little bit over there. You can see a little hint of brown, but I'll lightly overseed this, maybe aerate a little, hit it with some seed, and let's see what's coming. It's almost October, so not really sure what we're gonna do here.